Time now for TVJ News in Focus. Is it time for the craft market in Jamaica to change the way they operate? Well, according to craft traders in 3 of the largest markets in the island, business is so bad that some months they do not make a single dollar. But why are they still in the industry? Well, Kalisha Williams explores the issue in this primetime News in Focus, the craft industry, doomed or diversify. She now joins us live in studio. Kalisha.
Well, Herman, the pandemic has not only made some of the problems in the craft industry worse, but it has created new ones. It's especially bad for the craft traders who depend on tourism to stay afloat. So I wanted to find out what's the future of the craft industry in the island and how the craft traders have been navigating the effects of COVID-19. Central location, check. Skilled workers, check. Affordable items, check. But many of these craft traders at the Kingston Craft Market have not sold any items in months.
I came back here in May and I didn't sell anything until the ship came.
And when was that?
When it was, honestly, I don't remember, sometime in December.
But the problems here are not new. We were told the issues date back to 2001. And the craft traders were hoping that the return of cruise ships to Port Royal would have revived their business. But they were in for a surprise.
And the last time a ship came, I sold $5. And I was grateful for $5 because they could have come and I didn't get anything.
But why do they keep coming here?
But you keep coming back because there's, you just have something to do. There's something to keep you going, but no money. I'm telling you, if it wasn't for family, I wouldn't know what to do.
Let's go back to May 23, 2002, when all the island's craft markets met here at the Duns River Craft Markets in St. Anne for the very first time to discuss issues affecting the sector. Now, almost 20 years later, some of those same issues are plaguing the craft traders here.
Everywhere you go right now, you have seen craft have been set up in the hotel. Craft have been set up, in all the attraction. And because of that, when the people come to Jamaica, by the time they reach the craft market, they already shop.
But unlike Kingston, Ocho Rios is a resort area. In fact, Duns River Falls is world-renowned, attracting thousands of visitors yearly. So why are the craft traders who are plying their wares on the property fighting to survive?
A lot of tourists coming through the craft market, as I told you before, that the people sensitizing are the problem. The tourists, them know, see, even though the tourists move through the place, they're not shopping with the natives. I don't know if it's advertisement, I don't know what costs that.
About 10 minutes away, a different craft market. Same problem. Over 300 craft traders sell at the Ocho Rios Craft Market. They depend on the cruise ship port located about 5 minutes away. But business has worsened since the pandemic.
If then can come here and go the Mystic Mountain and then take Juke. And then go Dolphin Cove and so then take Juke. We take free Juke too. So we need to see the people them inside here. We are dying for hunger.
In 2020, the Tourism Ministry established the Tourist Resilient Corridor. This initiative puts tourists in a bubble where they can visit COVID-compliant attractions approved by the Ministry of Health. But the craft traders believe they have been left out.
I'm not talking about no bubbles. Some of the people don't know what is bubbles. The way they're hungry. When I tell them about bubbles, they want to lick me down.
So, Herman, we saw that each craft market had its own unique problems. Now, tomorrow I will delve deeper into why craft traders are struggling, the general issues within the industry, and we'll hear from artisans, the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, and hopefully the Tourism Ministry.
All right, thank you very much, Kalisha Williams.